So hello guys, welcome to the stream. So let's start. Let's see what market can offer us today. Market is looking really bullish as of now. Still, we'll wait for the daily candle close. But let's see. First, I will analyze the BTC, and then I will jump into other coins, and maybe I can provide some trades here. Let's BTC. So in my previous live stream, the plan was something like this: deviation here and then back up, and it's come. For now, this this 119.6 level remain important key area to BTC to break. If we break above, we are going higher. Next target will be 121k again, but if we see rejection, we will go lower around 111k. So that's the plan for BTC. If you see USDT dominance chart, the plan is something like here. It will consolidate a bit here. Maybe it can come down to 4.14 level. Then it will pump again, but for now it's near support. So soon there will be a retest and pullback around the market, and USDT dominance can go up to 4.67 level. Then we can see dump again. So that's the plan for USDT dominance. If we check BTC dominance, I was expecting it to pump from here, but it already broke the trend line. But it will be interesting to see if it can close below the trend line. It will be really good for alts to pump here, this area. Maybe after the retest, it will come down like this. So in coming month, it's really good for alts because dominance is really bearish here. And if you also see in weekly time frame, if you check the RSI in weekly, it's clearly formed a bearish divergence here. Let me show you. See, here's high, but here you can see high, new low. So there's clearly a bearish divergence forming. So expecting it to dump, and it will dump hard. And so the upcoming months will be good for alts. Then we can see a retracement. Then we can pump again. So if we see it can retest the red box, then it can dump up to first support would be around 60.55. This will be first support for BTC dominance. So until then, you can enjoy your pump or your spot back if you bought any. If you want me to chart any coin, you can write it in the chat box. I will do it. Hello ABNS, hello, welcome to the stream. Hello Respectador, welcome to the stream. TYY, welcome to the stream. Chiletum Sunday, hi. Saurabh, hello brother, welcome to the stream. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and provide me some coin name so I can chart them. By the way, the resistance is coming for FET around 0.8, 0.82. If we broke, then we will go up to 0.9, but we'll wait for confirmation. Pengu pumped a lot, I think. My entry was something like this, but it already pumped. For now, if you check Pengu in lower time frame, here it's forming a trend line here. It will either pump from here, this area 0.30402. It should pump from here, and if it close below, then it will come back to around this zone 0.18335 that will be the good zone to buy, but expect a little pump around here because there's a lots of liquidity just staying above this, lots of liquidity, so it can go here, pump, then broke down eventually. So you can take scalp on Pengu around here 0.0311. Which long limit you placed? Sort of. Let's check Sui. Sui, I was expecting it to dump from here, but it already broke out. Wait for retest Sui around 3.8 and 3.67. Good buy area for Sui. If it retests the 3.8 and 3.67 level, you can buy it either in scalp trade or in spot. It's up to you. So Sui buy area will be for scalp around here, something like this. Target will be this. I also expected the PEPE to come a little bit more lower, but it already retested the trend line, then pumped. Let me show you here. It kind of closed below the trend line, then consolidated a bit, then again closed back up. I should have longed here, but I didn't got the time to check it, so it pumped from here. My buying zone was this. We'll get the retest, guys. Don't worry. Just have patience. We'll get the retest soon. Wife WL, you want me to chart or your limit got missed? Sort of. SPX. What? So my idea was again to retest at the tail end, but still market has other plans. In Delhi, it retested this level. Let me remove this. In Delhi, it retested this level, didn't close below, so it pumped from here. Next, if again the Delhi close above 1.73, then again wait for retest around 1.764. If it again hold above in the Delhi, then you can again go for a long. Understand? Pengu I already shared. Pengu, as I said, wait for it to come to the trend line here, this trend line. Wait for it to come around this level. Take the liquidity, then you can long here. Or if it in daily, if close below the trend line, you can take short up to this 0.10183. So that will be the plan. See if candle, let's say if candle come here, it goes downside, but after the close in Delhi, the Delhi candle closed above the trend line. It came down below the trend line, but it didn't close, so you can take long here. It will be a confirmation. it will be a trap for the sellers, so you can take long here, and target will be the security zone, but that won't be a good other trade for you. So also it can do something like this. Here. So expect if daily, as I said, expect if daily candle didn't close below the trend line, you can take long, it will go higher. But in 4 hour it making bearish divergence, but I don't know, sometimes it fail, but in daily it's bullish. ETH. So see, this box was the main resistance for Ethereum, but it already I guess broke out, but wait for it to hold up, so you can take it. ETH can something do like this, consolidate here, then breakout and pump. I think it will do consolidate a bit here, it should do. Hype. Hype, this red box will be your good idea to buy. Wait for it to come at least down here, then you can take long. The level is around 42.3, 41.5. Wait for retest, guys. The market already in very good. The market already pumped. Wait for retest. A little pullback will happen for sure. Don't get too FOMO here. That's why I'm not over trading right now. Only one setup at a time. If it went good, all in good. But if it hit SL, it's also okay. I'm not that too much in FOMO right now. Next target in long term, if you are holding spot in SPX, let me show you. Ignore this. In spot, if you are holding the SPX, the long term target will be 5.9. In long term, around the 1.618 fib level. That was for my fans in last stream. So SPX long term target is around 5.9 or $6 in long term. in short term there will be chop for sure, but the good buying zone will be around 1.5 to 1.48. That will be the good buying zone. BTC, as I said, around 119.6k is for now a big resistance. If we manage to clear that in daily, we will go around 121, 123, even 125 to 6. But if we didn't close the candle above 119.6, we will dump around. We will dump hard. Maybe we'll have to see some more consolidation. Then we'll dump. Let me show you. Here you can see that is the level, and you can see it already rejecting from it. Here we have to clear this. We have to clear this in daily, in case we want to see a pump in BTC. Otherwise, we'll again, even not 111k, we'll again can see a dump around at least 116, 115. Then we can see. So that is the range for BTC as of now. It will do around here. 1 minute, guys. Let me see the liquidity heat map. It will tell the more clear picture, because where's the liquidity market all usually follow it. So you can see the liquidity available in both sides. For now, instant liquidity is placed around 116.8, then around 120k. So I'm expecting something like this. Come here, retest, then pump. And if we get to see a daily close above 119.6, then it's well and good. It will pump. Any other coin you want me to analyze, guys? Anyway, my long in this coin is fucked. I'll wait for the 4-hour candle close. If we manage to close above around here 98 level, I will close my long. If it close below it, for now my trade is running. I'm holding as of now, but we'll wait if the daily candle. It can also retest the trend line here. Also it can get pump. I will hold the LTC coin because the volume is good here, and if the daily close below, then I will close it. Not for hour. If the daily close below, I will close it. For now, SL or TP in LDC. Fifth level in which coin? Or you want to learn the fifth level, how to use it? I faded that, guys. My limit was there, this 2 level, but it was chopping so much hard around this here, so I closed it, but it gave a nice pump after that. You can see. So also this the formula I use in FIB, also it used by Elich, if you know him. So the formula is 0.75 level. Basically market always gave a good reaction around 0.75 level. So that was the swing, did swing low, swing high. I just gradually put the 1 at swing low and 0 at swing high, because whenever you want to see a retracement, like you want to know from where the market will pump, in that case you should place the 1 pip level at swing low and 0 at swing high. And in any case you want to see how much the market will pump, or what the level of upper levels are. So in that case you can put 1 pip level at swing high and 0 at swing low, like this. In this case scenario, I wanted to see where the syrup will pump next, so I put it the 1 level at swing low and 0 at swing high, and you can see that was the 0.5, 0.75, 0.786 level. Market just casually came here and gave a good movement from here, 11%. Market also 0.75 level you work in both case. In this case scenario, I want to see how much it can pump, so I place the 1 level at high and 0 at low. So for now this is the resistance for syrup. If it can close above in daily, you can take long. Target will be 0.5, 0.75. So I hope I am able to understand you guys. So that house also 0.5 and 0.5 level also works really well in mine, sir. Mine LTC is fucked up, and those who took with me that trade. For now I am holding the LTC. SL is white, no worries, it will pump eventually. Yes, sure. Let me show you the PEPE levels. You can see that is my levels. I use 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 0.786 and 1, and my upper levels are this. Usually I don't use that. Main levels you can take is 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 0.786 and 1. These are the main PEPE levels you should use. My trend line is not selected. I extended the both lines, both in left and right. Background 0. You can copy the exact. And the PEPE levels are based on log scale. Always start in log chart, guys. And make sure your PEPE levels are also based on log scale. Otherwise it will show you the false levels. Here you can see, here you can change your chart type. Mine is in log here, and my PEPs are also in log. Any other coin you want me to chart, you can tell me in the comment. Another coin is looking good. I just check a moment before, is MAV, but it's not for leverage. You can buy it in spot. If you wanna buy MAV in spot, you can here. The chart is looking really good. You can see proper clear trend line. It broke out, and target it will go around at least this level, because that is the main resistance as of now. it can easily give you a 5x, 3x, 3 to 5x profit in MAV. Also, it's showing a clear sign of deviation here. Here also it deviated, pumped, retest below, then again pumped. So here it's breaking out. I will still wait for daily candle close. If daily candle closed above this, then you can easily, it's a good spot buy. Maybe you can buy in spot. I will recommend you guys to buy it. Yeah, retest would be fine, but usually sometimes what happens is in daily retest actually happen in slower time frame, but in daily it's usually pump. But you can also wait for retest, or you can buy. Let's say you wanted to buy $100 of MAV, you can buy around $30 here. Then after retest you can add another 70 or 30. It's up to you. Okay. Always whenever you are buying any coin in spot, make sure you have rooms or money to DCA later. Yeah, MAV chart is absolutely fine, and it can, if it pump, it will give a good, very good, you see, 600%. And if it dump, how much it will dump? 10 to 20% max to max. You can buy spot. Well, you are buying spot, so you can also DCA here if it comes to this level around 0.4156. That would be your ideal DCA level to go for. You can also buy 50% here and 50% at 0.4156. Don't go all in. Make sure you always have some money to DCA later. Tau. In last YouTube live stream, I told you guys closed above easy long to this target, and after all, so you can see closed above, smashed out targets, then again retested, then again pumped, and that is our long term area. So 375 is our long time buying area. Whenever tau will come here, I will buy. For now, waiting. Rose, I wanted a little retest around 0.2542, but it found run. I think the other level I didn't draw. This. It's my laziness to buy all the levels, nothing else. It's nothing, just my laziness. For now, Rose is making a trail line here. Wait for breakout, then you can go for long, or wait for come to this 0.25 level. Any other coin you want me to chart? Please tell guys. A16Z. Not interesting as of now. ENA. Altcoin. Guys, fat coin is bullish. Whenever market reject to retest the lower trend line, it's usually bullish, and it will eventually pump above the upper trend line. Whenever you see market something around, it's following a trend like this, and you see here it reject to retest the trend line, then it usually pump. But for now, wait for candle close above. Also, candle close above 1.39, you can take a scalp around 1.47. After that, if again it closed above the trend line, then you can take a moonshot, but don't get over bullish. I'm waiting a retest around 480 or 10 minutes. If daily candle close above these levels 5.2 to 5.2, then in retest around this you can take again long. Market is in that easy mode right now. PEPE at resistance for now. If the daily close above, it will break the trend line. But wait for the candle close. Wait for candle close above 0.422. If daily candle close above 0.422, you can take a easy long here, and the target will be at 0.64. Almost 50%. 50%. See, market not always retest the trend line. It breakout, pumped, retested that level, then again pumped. So it usually happens in too much bullish market. It also happened in last time when I was in my prime. That time it also happened. That time in group I was giving all like 10 to 12 trades a day, and approximately all trades were hitting TP. ZRO, wait for daily candle close of 2.379 for long. If you see any bearish candle forming around 2.379, you can take a short targeting 2.2 area. You can copy these levels in your chart, guys, always. If you see a rejection candle forming around this level, you can take short up to here, 2.202. It's already broke out. Or if it can give a retest around 9.7, you can take a long here. SL will be around here, 3%. Grass, wait for candle close. Again the plan is same here. Breakout, retest here, pump. The volume is good. Wait for retest and you can take long around these levels, 1.15 and 1.14. There are also lots of liquidity in staying above. If you take long here, your SL will be this 1.11. Your first target will be here, second and final target will be something around here. That will be your final target. Good night, Saurabh. I'm also going to sleep. My body is not that well today. TYYY. Absolute cinema. Are you a girl? TYYY. Are you a girl or a boy? TYYY. Are you in Discord? TYYY. You can DM me. Always. I'm open for. So that the two setup I'm looking for. It already broke out. We'll wait for retest, and in grass it's also same. Let me check the bump again. It's just pumping non-stop. Again here, wait for daily candle close above, take longy, and the next target for bonk will be if it break out again. Next target will be this 0.0484. Don't worry, TYY. I have a girlfriend also. I can bring her too with you. Who is giving you hint? TYY. See, Chilga it's consolidating right below the resistance. It's a very good sign. If Chilga can close daily above 0.072, then go for a long. Otherwise, it will dump around 0.055. Wait for the confirmation. I think it just retested the trend line. But shorting here is just killing yourself or suicide. Can't say so. Better stay with the trend. Wait for daily candle close above 0.723. If it don't, just wait for it to buy around 0.055. Where are you from, TYY? Where are you from, TYY? You see that coin name? I just faded this coin, literally. I was just waiting to break out, and then when I woke up from sleep, it already pumped this. It already pumped that much. Again, it's creating a CT trend line like this. Wait for again breakout, it will again go for a pump. I can go to Mars for you. You know, Elon Musk is my friend. So that's it for today, guys. It's already 1:30 here in India. So it's enough for today. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.